everyone, and welcome to another episode of What's on Tap. I'm Megan.
And I'm Dr. Angeron.
And today we have our beautiful mothers here with us, and we are so excited to talk to you about one of our new favorite treatments, the Subnovii Plasma Pen.
Yeah, so the plasma pen's really exciting. We've been doing it for about a year now here at SLMA Skin Bar, and we've had some amazing results. And so we brought our moms in today to talk to you guys a little bit about their experience and what the plasma pen feels like, does like, and kind of how it results and what the changes they've noticed. The science behind the plasma pen is basically that it stimulates collagen reproduction and tightens skin. So it lessens the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, smooths out overall, and just a more youthful overlook. And it really works through two mechanisms. It creates both a thermal and mechanical injury that promotes the collagen synthesis. So you guys want to tell us a little bit about how the plasma pen went and what it feels like, or what y'all remember about it?
You remember a lot about it. I wouldn't say it's a relaxing procedure, but basically, I guess it's a laser, so it kind of...
Yeah, so it creates like a plasma arc, and so it actually arcs between the pen and the skin using the moisture in the air, and creates almost like a little burn on the skin.
Right, yeah. And you can actually kind of smell your skin burning, so it's a really different feeling.
We call that the smell of success.
That's right.
So the first time I did it, I did my entire face. There's different quadrants I think that you can get packages for, but I did pretty much my whole face. So under my eyes, my forehead, and around what I consider my problem areas, which is my cheek area. And so it was very interesting. You need to have some downtime, because you're really not going to want to go anywhere after you have the procedure done, because you basically have just little, I guess, scabs all over your face that take some time to heal. So you need at least a good week so that you can heal. But afterwards, the results were phenomenal. You don't really notice it on yourself a lot because you see yourself every day. But what really impressed me was, I guess, I did it right before the hurricane. So we evacuated, and I really didn't pay a whole lot of attention to it. But I guess it was about 2 months later, we were sitting at the dinner table one night, and my husband looked at me and he said, "I don't know what Megan did to you, but it really looks good."
And that is an accomplishment.
That is definitely
for him to say
a success story, because he's very skeptical. Every time I go in to have something done, he's like, "I don't know why you're doing that." But for him to actually notice it without me asking about it was a huge success for me.
So how about you? How was your experience?
Well, the same thing about the little burns and the smell. And then at first, even when it healed, I was like, I don't know. And then all of a sudden I was going, oh yeah, I can see a lot of differences. And even though my eyelids are not all the way up, you can see I have more eyelids showing than I had before. And I find that these little lines are better, and just an overall smoothness I think I've had from it. And it's really exciting because, you're going, I look better every day. So that's fun.
And I actually was able to get it myself, and I do notice after about 4 months is when you really start seeing the results. I did it around Christmas time, and normally I would need my injections, which I'm still going to get because I want to preserve what the Subnovii has done, but I don't feel like I need them because I'm seeing the wrinkles right now. So yeah, I do think it's prolonged.
And I've actually seen that in quite a few clients who we did the eye area or forehead area, and they would see me every 3 months for their Botox injections, and now they can kind of space it out a little bit further because they've gotten that tightening, and so the lines that they have with movement are not as obvious. So they've been able to kind of space that out too, which has been great.
Yeah, we've been having some really great results.
And I was going to say, because I came to you, I guess it was 2 weeks after I had the procedure this past time, you did the injections and the Botox, and you said that you just noticed a different texture in my skin.
Right.
That
yeah, it's been a really great treatment. We've just had really good results, and it's one of those things, kind of like both of you mentioned, when you see a before and after of yourself, you go, oh wow, like
Right.
look at what this has done for me.
Right.
And there's definitely downtime. So it is a procedure that you have to be have your time where you're not taking pictures, you're not going to a wedding, any big event, and the aftercare is really important.
Yes.
And
Yes.
so following the aftercare instructions and really letting the skin heal and protect it as it heals is really important too to get those results.
And one thing I'm very big about sharing all my pictures with my friends, and they going, oh my God. I'm going, it doesn't hurt. I mean, it kind of is not wonderful when you're having it. It doesn't, it's not horrible pain, but it's definitely pricky.
Right.
Yeah.
But the healing part,
No,
The healing part is not bad at all.
the healing part doesn't hurt. You know,
Yeah.
it looks like you'd be in agony, but it does not hurt. So
Right.
it was good. You know, I was going,
Yeah.
and everybody going, Trudy, I went, it's okay. I'm fine.
What did you say you thought you looked like?
I look like one of those, you know, the African women who scar their face in all the designs and all.
Right, those beautiful masks.
Yeah.
Mask
like
of,
you have
of the
some
actually,
henna
what do you
tattoos.
know? Well, I think it's scar tissue. I think they cut themselves. Mm-hmm. Well, that's what you look like.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, and Danielle, I had pretty lines right here. I had them right here. And then all this looked like a cat almost. All this was.
We
really,
do a pattern to stretch the skin
Right.
and to reduce the wrinkles. So you have some nice, beautiful patterns all over
You
your
do.
face
Yeah.
for about,
Pattern.
I think about 7 days. Maybe darker skin types a little longer.
Yeah.
But this is definitely one of those treatments that we do not want to just do on you right away. So if you're interested in this treatment, please call us and we can set up a consultation and thoroughly explain everything. Some of you may need to do some prep before the treatment. But if you would like more information, you can call us at 219-SKIN.
Please like us on Facebook and subscribe.